summer days we can hide what we are wearing, like it is in winter, where thanks to the outwear we can easily hide some of the potential styling mistakes. But in summer everything is wide open, and if we did certain style mistake, it is there for everyone to see it. So today I want to share with you 5 common style mistakes that we do, and I also want to share some of the tweaks how we can fix these styling mistakes. One of the main styling mistakes is actually caused by us wearing wrong bra. So for example, in this case I'm wearing this white cami, and if for example underneath this white cami you wear a neutral bra with straps, those straps would still be seen. So no matter if you try to hide it, they will still be seen, even though it's a small style mistake to say it like that, but it is still something that ruins the appearance of the cami or any other top you're wearing. So instead of a neutral bra with straps, you want to go after a neutral strapless bra. When you're wearing correct bra, your top is going to look even better and your entire outfit is going to appear even more stylish, unlike how it is when your bra straps are being in front of your eyes. So that is one of the main mistakes we often do. But even though you're wearing, for example, white cami, that doesn't mean that underneath a white cami you should have a white bra with straps, because still those straps are gonna pop out, and honestly it's just going to add additional mess to your look. So instead of that sort of a bra, again go after a neutral strapless bra. Another mistake would include similar example, but in this case I'm wearing this very beautiful halter neckline black top, and you can see for a top of this kind you also want to have black strapless bra. Just because I'm wearing a black top, that doesn't mean that wearing a black bra with straps is okay. It's not. So instead of it you want to wear a black strapless bra, and even if you try to push your bras for them to not be so seen, they're still going to be seen and it's still going to ruin your appearance. And honestly, halter neckline tops are so beautiful, and for them specifically, wearing a strapless bras is what you should always style them with. Otherwise, any bra with straps is definitely going to ruin the look of a top like that. Another bra issue that most of us face from time to time, me and myself included, and sometimes it is due to laziness, I will be honest, and that is when we wear white bra underneath a white tee. Even though we might think how white bra won't be visible underneath a white tee, but it will be. So instead of a white bra, we want to wear some bra in a neutral tone. These type of bras would never be seen underneath a white tee. So that is another style mistake that is so easy to avoid, but we still sometimes do it. Another style mistake that we often do comes from us wearing wrong shorts. For example, I have this example and I'm kind of embarrassed for showing this, but it is very short shorts. It is low waist shorts, and honestly a shorts of this kind can never look classy, elegant, chic, stylish, and literally nothing. And also it appears in a way a little bit cheaper. I don't even know why I purchased it, but I'm not gonna talk about that now. Also, as you're walking, sometimes it can happen that even your butt cheeks can be seen with the shorts like this. So this is the shorts you want to avoid at any cost. Another style mistake that we often do comes from another type of a shorts. It will be a shorts of this kind. It is also denim shorts. It is proper in a length, it is high waist denim shorts, but the issue that this shorts is causing is that it is too tight around the thighs, and it is exactly this type of shorts that again won't appear nice, elegant and classy. Instead what you want to do is you want to wear a shorts that is having that A shape. You want a shorts that has a little bit of looseness around the thighs, that is at the same time going to make you you appear a little bit more skinnier just by having that additional space around the thighs. Your legs are going to appear skinnier. So that is a big bonus when we're talking about these A-shaped shorts. Third styling mistake is us wearing wrong proportions. For example, it often happens that in summer we want to include into our wardrobe some of the tank tops, and that is exactly the reason why some of the style mistakes happen. For example, in this look, I'm wearing this Zara high-waisted white shorts, and on top I styled it with this H&M cream tank top. We want to create a contrast in this look, so for that reason you want to wear a longer top on this short. So instead of this cream tank top, I went after this very beautiful spaghetti silky top from Zara, and it is exactly that change that immediately turned this look into more elevated and classier version of itself. But in case you want to wear a crop tank top, you can easily style it with some sort of trousers. In this example, I'm wearing the same cream tank top, but I paired it with these H&M high-waisted ankle cut trousers. I love these trousers because they're providing that looseness. It is exactly that contrast within these two pieces that creates a balance, and that is what turned this crop tank top look into more elevated version. Fourth styling mistake can often be caused by us wearing some of the dated pieces that we have in our wardrobe. For example, in this look over here, I'm wearing these beautiful cream cigarette trousers from H&M. These sort of trousers nowadays are considered to be a little bit dated, even though I honestly love these trousers, but still when it comes to the design of them, they are having those dated elements. An updated version of these trousers would be these ones. Also H&M trousers, they come in a similar cream tone, but the obvious difference is that these trousers have that looseness, which is something that is so up to date, and it is something that just adds that additional comfort, and it immediately turns any basic look into a chic version of itself. But these trousers also have a front crease and they have an ankle cut design, which I absolutely adore during summer days because you can wear some nice flat sandals, heeled sandals, and they can pop off. Or for example, most of us still up to date have some of the skinny jeans in our wardrobe. I know I have few still. Skinny jeans today are really outdated, but an updated version of skinny jeans would be straight leg jeans. These jeans look absolutely beautiful and they're just perfect looking and updated jeans you can wear. And fifth styling mistake would be always put comfort first. In summer it's already too warm and it's already uncomfortable due to all the warm weather we're having, so we don't want to add on top of it some uncomfortable shoes, uncomfortable clothes. So for that reason, pay attention to the shoes you're wearing specifically. For example, stay away from all of those like huge wedges, espadrilles, or very high heels. This sort of shoes is not going to bring a comfort to your everyday style. Instead of them, for example, you can go after some nice and elegant kitten heels. And when it comes to clothes, in terms of comfort, avoid anything that is too tight. Instead, you want more breathable pieces. You want breathable tops, breathable skirts, breathable dresses, pants, because these sort of pieces are going to bring comfort to your style and they're also going to make you appear chic in a way, especially if you're wearing some nice linen pants, linen shirt, dress, and so on. So with that said, that will be it in today's video. Please let me know down below which one of these styling mistakes sometimes happen to you. And yeah, that will be it. Once again, thanks all for watching and I see you all in the next one. Bye!